Good morning all. So in last class we were seeing a few problems towards the end. So we have user notation, so Laplace transform of a function f of x that is given by integral 0 to infinity e raised to minus px f of x dx. So when you integrate this, provided the integral converges, so we will get some function f of p. So for the function f of x, so f of p is called the Laplace transform. ഇനി നമ്മൾ ഇന്നലെ ചെയ്ത പ്രോബ്ലത്തിൽ നമ്മൾ ചെയ്തതാണ് you are given f of p and you were finding what was the corresponding f of x, and this function f of x which is obtained from f of p is called as the inverse Laplace transform. Okay, so if the Laplace transform of a function f of x is capital F of p, so that is you have L of f of x equal to f of p, then here f of x, then f of x is called an inverse Laplace transform of capital F of p, and we write it as L inverse of f of p is equal to f of x. So this is how we define the inverse Laplace transform of a function. So inverse Laplace transform of a given function f of p is that function f of x whose Laplace transform is capital F of p. So this is what we have done in the last problems which I have done in the last class. Okay, അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ basically inverse Laplace transform കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുകയാണ് ചെയ്തത്. So in today's class, so let us look at few more properties of Laplace transform. So one of the important applications of Laplace transform is, so it is used for solving differential equations. So avada nammal ee inverse Laplace transform use cheyum. So let us see how do we solve for differential equation. Ini nammal differential equation solve cheyumbo when you solve for a differential equation, so you will be solving initial value problem. So you will have a differential equation together with certain initial condition. അപ്പോൾ അതിന്റെ solution നമുക്ക് you can obtain using the Laplace transform. Okay, so let us consider so we have application to differential equations. So let us find the particular solution of the differential equation y double dash plus ay dash plus by equal to f of x. So you are given the conditions y at 0 equal to y naught and y dash at 0 equal to y naught dash. So if you have a problem in this form, this can be solved using Laplace transform. Usually നമ്മൾ particular solution കണ്ടുപിടിക്കണമെങ്കിൽ ആദ്യം general solution കണ്ടുപിടിക്കണം. അതിനകത്ത് നമ്മുടെ ഈ conditions ഒക്കെ substitute ചെയ്യണം. Then only we will get the particular solution. But here in this technique where you use Laplace transform, so directly we will arrive at the particular solution. Okay. So let us see how we obtain the solution. So what we do is so you are given this equation. Okay. So you have y double dash plus ay dash plus by equal to f of x. So let us take Laplace transform on both sides. So taking Laplace transform on both sides. So that implies L of y double dash plus ay dash plus by equal to L of f of x. So you have L of y double dash plus a L of y dash plus b L of y equal to L of f of x square. Okay. Now let us look at what is the value of L of y dash and L of y double dash. Now L of y dash is defined as integral 0 to infinity e raised to minus px e raised to minus px y dash dx. So upon using integration by parts you will get, so let me take this as the first function. So e raised to minus px into integral of the second is y from 0 to infinity minus integral of derivative of the first. So that is minus p e raised to minus px into y dx from 0 to infinity. So this will be, so at infinity e raised to minus px will be 0, and at 0 e raised to minus px 0 out, so we will get y of 0. So this is minus y of 0, then plus p integral 0 to infinity e raised to minus px y dx. Okay. ഈ integral എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് e raised to minus px y dx എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്, this will be the Laplace transform of y. Okay. So therefore what we are getting is, so L of y dash will be p L of y minus y of 0. Okay. Now let us find L of y double dash. So by we have L of y dash. So by this definition, L of y double dash എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് p into L of y dash minus y of 0 വരും. Okay. Now we know what is L of y dash. So that is p into L of y minus y of, okay, this is L of y, ഇവിടെ y dash of 0 ആയിരിക്കും വരുന്നത്. ഇവിടെ y ആണ് corresponding, ഇവിടെ y of 0, അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ y dash of 0 ആയിരിക്കും വരുന്നത്. ഇനി L of y dash substitute ചെയ്യുക, that is p ly minus y of 0 minus y dash of 0. So you are going to get, so p square L of y minus py of 0 minus y dash of 0. So that is going to be the value of L of y double dash. Now let us call this equation as 1. Now നമുക്ക് L of y dash കിട്ടി, y double dash കിട്ടി. Now we will look at how to solve for this differential equation. So let us substitute this in equation 1. So substituting in 1, we get L of y double dash എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് p square L of y minus p y of 0 minus y dash of 0 plus a times L y dash വരും p L of y minus y of 0 plus the last term is b, L of y, that will be equal to L of fx. So on the right side, let us collect the coefficients of L of y. So you will have p square plus ap plus b L of y, that will be equal to L of fx plus p y of 0 plus y dash of 0 plus a y of 0 okay. So therefore L of y will be, so L of f of x, so this will be f of p plus p y of 0 plus y dash of 0 plus a y of 0 by p square plus ap plus b. അപ്പോൾ L of y എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് നമുക്ക് p യുടെ ടേംസ് കിട്ടും. Our aim is to find what is y of x. Now take the inverse Laplace transform here. So that will give us the solution for the differential equation. So the solution y is given by taking inverse Laplace transform on both sides. Hence, we get the solution of the differential equation. Now let us look at an example of finding the solution. So find the solution of y double dash plus 4y equal to 4x, where you have y of 0 equal to 1 and y dash of 0 equal to 5. So take Laplace transform on both sides. So that implies, so you will get p square into L of y minus p into y of 0 minus y dash of 0 plus 4 L of y will be equal to 4 L of x. So that gives p square L of y minus p, y of 0 is 1, then minus 5 varum plus 4 L of y will be equal to 4. Ini L of x ennu parayunna 1 by p square varum. Now, so you will get p square plus 4 L of y, that will be equal to 4 by p square plus p plus 5. So therefore L of y will be, so you will get 4 by p square into p square plus 4 plus p by p square plus 4 varum plus 5 by p square plus 4. Now let us take the inverse transform. അപ്പോൾ ആദ്യത്തേത് നമുക്ക് partial fraction വെച്ച് simplify ചെയ്യണം.